Students, today I will teach you national development. Yes, what is national development? Now, national development is the change in growth and development which includes social, cultural and economic change. It is the ability of a country to improve the social welfare of the people. It would be the expansion and growth of people in the defined territory or government. And it is very important to keep in mind that different persons could have different as well as conflicting notions of the country's development. Yes, before also I told that development depends upon different countries. So, development of a country is very much difficult to identify. How? Because each people are having different developmental goal. Now, we can say that national development is the ability of a country or countries to improve the social welfare of the people. For example, quality of education, potable water, transportation, infrastructure, medical care, etc. So, it can be said that if in a country these things are seen, then we can say that national development, yes, is going on. Now, a question comes that how some countries are called developed and others are underdeveloped. Yes, it is a very important thing for a country. It is very much difficult to compare. If we take an example of a class, in a class the students are differ in different way. Like some are tall, some are short, some are intelligent, etc. In this case, we take one or more important characteristics and we compare on the basis of that. And that is marks. Yes, on the basis of that, we can judge the class. Now, here see creativity or marks. Cooperation of creativity or marks secured. This is we judge. Next is same way. This is true for the development. For comparing countries, their income is considered to be the one of the most important attributes. Yes, higher income is more developed than others. Less income, this is based on the understanding that more income means more of all things that human being need. Whatever people like and should have, they will be able to get with greater income. So greater income itself is considered to be one important goal. That means if in a country the average income or the total income is looking high, then we considered it is a developed country. And if the total income is considered low, then that is underdeveloped country. As our country before it was underdeveloped, now it is going developing country. Next, here we can say that so greater income itself is considered to be the important goal. But it is difficult to calculate the total income of a country because countries have different population, and so we compare the average income. Because in our country, like different people is having different types of income. So the total income, to judge total income, it is very much difficult. So here is a question: average income. Average income, what do you mean by average income? Average income is the total income of the country divided by the total population. And another name of the average income is also called the per capita income. So, if the average income of a country is high, then that country is called the developed country. And if the average income or the per capita income is low, then the country is called the underdeveloped country. Clear? Next, the rest.